Hi, I'm Shubin, and welcome back to the FlowDrop Behind the Scenes series. In the last episodes, I talked about why I started FlowDrop and how the core ideas began taking shape. Today, I want to share how FlowDrop actually became visual, how it went from a rough idea to a Svelte powered editor where you can drag and drop and orchestrate workflows. When I first tried integrating a modern JavaScript app into Drupal's admin interface, it became very clear early on that this wasn't going to be simple. Drupal's admin pages weren't built with high interactivity in mind. Routing, assets loading, page rendering, everything needed some sort of workaround. So I made an important decision early on. The UI would be a fully standalone Svelte app, and Drupal would only embed it. That gave me freedom to experiment, move fast, and avoid constantly fighting with the admin system. And honestly, it was one of the best decisions of the entire project. So let me show you how that evolved. FlowDrop uses SvelteFlow under the hood to visualize the workflow graph, which gives us a solid foundation for handling nodes, connections, and UX surrounding the drag and drop experience. Each node maps to a plugin, and each connection represents data flowing from one execution step to the next. I started showing demos to my friends, and many of them outside my Drupal bubble liked it too. Inspired by some discussions and encouragements from them, something unexpected happened. FlowDrop stopped being just a Drupal module. Because the UI is decoupled, and because the API that drives it is defined in a clean OpenAPI spec, FlowDrop can now be extended far beyond Drupal. If you want to plug in a backend built with Laravel, Django, WordPress, Node, or anything else, you can build your own runtime that speaks the same API. The spec makes FlowDrop interoperable. It defines how workflows, nodes, schemas, and executions should be exchanged, and no matter which ecosystem it lives in. So in a way, the editor has become a small platform of its own. A reusable front end for anyone building visual automations or AI-driven workflows inside Drupal or completely outside it. So that's the story of how the visual side came to life. In the next episode, we will look behind the scenes at the execution engine or the orchestration engine and how nodes actually run under the hood. So thanks for watching and see you in episode 4.